Alright guys, what's up? We're here with the KTM 390 Adventure, and this is a brand new bike for this year, and it's kind of all the craze right now, and there's a lot of people just learning about this thing. A lot of people are confused. I wanted to go over some nuances with this bike with the handlebar situation. It's pretty weird. The stock bars are 1-inch bars on the KTM 390 Adventure. Nobody's really sure why, but that kind of limits your options. So on this bike, for example, a customer wanted to reduce the vibration as much as possible, and obviously there aren't any anti-vibration mounts that are 1 inch. So we did some test fitting on this one. We used these BRP mounts. These are the BRP anti-vibration mounts with the stabilizer ready to be integrated into it. And we kind of we tested to see if it would fit, and it does. It also gives you 2 mounting options, so you can mount it with the stabilizer void right there towards the key, and that's gonna put the bars back towards the seat a little bit more. To compensate for that, we get these Pro Taper Adventure bars, which are very close to the stock KTM 390 Adventure bend, and you can roll them forward a little bit, or you can take this BRP mount actually and flip it around and put the void back this way, and it'll move the bars forward, but your key will be extremely close to this. It still works. You might feel a little bit of drag, so you can shave off a little bit of the key, or you can just deal with it. But that would move your bars further forward. And also, the big point about it is, obviously with these mounts, you get a 1 1/8 mount, so you can use any bar you want. You can use any handguard setup you want. It gives you back to your original options. Now, as far as the actual swap itself, this slides off the end of the bar easy enough. Just take 1 screw out of the bottom. This grip, you can cut it off. It slides off. It's a really clean, it's only glued in 1 spot, so it's a really clean rip. Another one will slide back onto the bar really easy. Loosen up this tin, that'll slide that way. The only issue you'll run into is when you get to the throttle housing, because this is like a proprietary ride-by-wire system from KTM. So the stock bars actually have a hole drilled in them right here, and this has like a tab, and it sits down in that hole, and that's the only thing that keeps this from spinning. It's not actually clamped to the bars. So we've tried a few different setups, and the best way we can tell is to actually drill that hole in whatever bars you're going to put on. So just kind of mark where you need it to be. I think it's like a 7/64 hole. Works really well. That's what I drilled in this one, and it's not moving at all. Plus you have this little tab right here, which keeps it from being able to spin back. But if you drill your hole the right size, you really take some care when you're doing it, it won't move forward either. So and of course this system lets you use regular bar expanders in the ends and everything. But I've just seen a lot of guys online wondering what the heck is going on with these KTM 1-inch bars. You know, some guys have been trying to add cruise control, and are having a hard time with it, because this is a different throttle setup than we've seen on any other bike. But yeah, I hope some of that info helps you out. It's a really cool machine. You can see this one, we've done quite a lot to this one: exhaust and recluse and graphics, hand guards, and it's about to get some luggage racks on the back. It's got the KTM power parts seat, but maybe I'll go over all that in a different video. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.